Iddaħħal f'Malta grupp ieħor ta' migranti li ammonta l-35 u li jsegwi l-wasla ta' 141 oħra li kienu abbord l-MV Aquarius ftit tas-sigħat qabel. Kienu l-immigranti li għamlu kuntatt ma' Watch the Mad li hija għaqda mhux governattiva stabilita fil-Ġermanja fejn talbu għall-assistenza. Din l-għaqda għandha lan li segwi l-imwiet u ksur ta' drittijiet umani tal-immigranti fiż-żoni li għaw taħt l-Unjoni Ewropea u l-madwar. Dwar dan, tkellimna ma' Kamina Tom minn din l-għaqda.
We got informed by the boat people themselves at around noon about their situation and that they needed help because their boat was overloaded and not equipped with proper communication means and navigation means.
U għajajt li kien aktar minn 24 sija qabel li jiddaħlu f'Malta li l-immigranti kienu qrib iż-żona ta' Malta u sar kuntatt mal-awtoritajiet Maltin.
The Maritime Rescue Coordination Center, which should be available 24/7, was not reachable for us more than 20 hours. So we stayed in contact with the people on board who actually could continue their desperate journey. And in this afternoon at 2 p.m., we received a new position after a while, which was actually close to Malta. So we called again. We waited 4 hours that RCC Malta reacted to our distress alert at 2 p.m. And then they informed us that they will start a search. Before, it was not possible for us to get any information what actions RCC Malta will take or might not take. Afterwards, I have to admit, when they declared they are starting a search, the communication and cooperation and also everything what I know about the operation was carried out professionally.
Finalment l-immigranti qrib fil-fla u kien hemm li l-Forzi Armati ta' Malta batu helikopter u żewġ patrol boats biex jassistu d-dħul tal-immigranti lejn il-bażi marittima militari f'Xatt it-Tiben fil-Florjana.